You already know what's gonna happen. Jump scare. Okay, yeah. Your girl is gonna wax on the arms. And oh my gosh, it's standing on the parade. I'm not allowed to, but I'll be busy servicing y'all, so sometimes I have to sacrifice. So first I'll go in with my cleanser. I got these off Amazon. It's a really good cleanser. I use it on myself and all my clients. I'm only using a little bit. And I just came from the gym too, so come to my dorm, right? And then I'm gonna go in. Where's my powder? It's up here. Oh, Jesus, I almost saw my fat. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with some powder. I'm gonna turn away from the camera to do this one because I'm hungry. One second. So this is literally all that I'm using. I'll use a little more. Oh, see? Okay. And of course the powder helps to dry up the moisture and the cleanser and stuff, so that way the wax can actually stick to your skin. Alright. Lord Jesus, personally. Like, I'm used to waxing, but at the same time, it still hurts. It's got better, of course, since I've been doing my own already waxes, but it still got a little sting to it. Not gonna lie. So, and I obviously don't need that much wax, so here we are. And it's a little warm. So I'm just swirling until, of course, it gets to cool off a little. Like, sometimes I even low wax. But what I'm not gonna do is burn on the arm. Oh, Jesus Christ. And I'm holding my skin tight, and I'm just gonna. What is that to this? Oof. Jesus Christ. Okay, this is not a cute wax strip, but it's because I'm doing myself, and mine always turns ugly. And of course, all these gloves I'm doing on my skin, you know. For some reason, I feel like when I hold the wax like this, that makes it dry. That makes it dry faster, but maybe it's just me. I don't know. So, as you can see, it's all the way on there. And this wax from Sexy Smooth Wax, it has a really good dry time, especially if you're a speed waxer. And I really like the consistency of it. So, here we go. Yeah, because I stay here. Just like me. Okay, and then we're just gonna do the other part. And look at it. Beautiful. Like, look at it. I'm out here part there and shit. Like, look how this looks. Please. But as y'all can see, I didn't get all the hair up. I know it looks like it, but I'm not sure how good y'all can see, but I definitely didn't get all of it up. But I got a good bit of it up. So I'm just going in one more time and then I'm gonna do a cleanup strip and I'm gonna do the other one. So. It wasn't so bad. I actually haven't waxed my underarms in a minute. But it's because I'm super consistent with it, so I don't have like a lot of hair. Like, I can't let it go on for that long, but you know, plus, you know, we kind of still in winter, spring, whatever it is, so it's a little chilly outside. So I'm wearing like long sleeves, you know. Okay, so I'll go ahead and go in with a second strip, holding my skin as tight as I can. See, like it's already starting to dry. It has a really good dry time. And baby, you see no more wax left on here as far as we can't waste no wax. It's not cheap. It's not cheap at all. Okay. Oh Jesus. Look, see, it's always like a little piece of hair. But see, this strip isn't gonna hurt so bad because I already did the initial strip, and yeah. See, definitely got those little hairs. And the last strip I'm going to do in reverse to clean up, to do a cleanup. And what cleanup strip does is just literally cleans up whatever you may have left. Sometimes hair can be high under the skin and run different directions. Cleanup strip is just going to fix it. So let me do this. I'm surprised how well I'm doing this, seeing as I haven't done it in so long. My cleanup strip, it can be a little tricky to apply, but I'm going to just do it the best way I know how. So remember, we went this way, now we're going to go the opposite way. And I'm literally using my phone as my camera. Yeah, I'm going to do a little more wax. And this strip isn't gonna hurt literally at all because there's literally no hair left. So, no, I was like, can't waste no wax now. Yeah, if you ever have trouble like lifting a wax strip, all you have to do is literally see, you got up where it was well. And another tip, if you have some wax that's still stuck on you, because it is really warm, all you have to do is hold it on there and it'll come off. Sometimes. Or you can just do it though. Either or. And as you can see, smooth and literally no hair up there.